Hello. Oh, all right. So I got it more or less straight, um, almost. It's always not to pass below because you don't want to keep on forcing back up because that'll again it'll weaken the bending point, and you don't want to do that. You don't want these tabs to break, otherwise you ruin the whole thing. The best way to do this is in a hydraulic press. You know, with a plate on top, a plate on the bottom, and you slowly with the hydraulic piston will keep on pumping until you get it perfectly straight. I don't have a hydraulic press right now here, so I will approximate it almost to a 90-degree angle, most of them, and I'll do the final touch on the hydraulic press another day. But we have all the tabs bent, and it looks more or less the same way that I have shown on my diagram. Once that you bend them, they will get this shape, as you can see right here. Now, again, this is no time to make the holes here now. No, that's the last thing. Okay, the last thing is the holes and pressing with the bolts and special washers that I'll show you in order to finalize pressing the tabs against the plastic. The plastic doesn't get inserted until we cut these in and make it in two pieces, the two final commutators. But before I do that, I want to run the interior, not cuts, but markings on the interior for both at the same time once that I have them here. And I got the two reference points of the segments of the tabs in between cuts, and I have to do one by one, carefully measuring the distance with a fine. I can do it with this. It's a special steel pointer that I use on a ruler, and I might use some guide on each tab gap to guide me and not to allow the rule to move. So I do one straight mark. Okay, so basically we got it, and this is the part that again, no holes here. The holes are done once that you get the plastic inside, press it inside each side, the plastic rings, the insulation plastic ring, polycarbonate I'm gonna use, and then bend the tabs, cut the tabs. Once that you cut it like this and make it two parts, then you have to cut again all the tabs for each commutator and clean them and have them ready, and then you insert with the plastic, with the tab straight, then you put the plastic rings on and bend them and that's what, once that you get another press with the plastic in between, another press, and that's finally it. Then you can proceed on marking the circle so all the bolts are at the same distance from each other. And then all you got to do is just get the center of each tab and mark the cross to punch the hole so you can drill the centers of it. So yeah, still quite a while to go, but I got some work done. Thanks again for watching.